Do you day trade the stock indexes? Well, you're going to love our Day Trader cockpit. You can see in here there's a ton of information. You're going to get the condition of each of the indexes, plus my 8-minute strategy and important price levels, as you see on this key price zone roadmap with 15-minute charts. It's fantastic, and you can learn more about that by going to askSlim.com and look up the Day Trader. But you can also get this for free for the next 3 weeks. All you have to do is sign up for the askSlim Premium Services Preview. It'll be available June 25th to July 12th, and that cockpit will be broadcast to you the whole time the market's open, and you're just going to love it. Plus, you're going to get all the other information that's on this. This is our Premium Services Preview. No cost to you at all. You get to see a ton of stuff and get to see all of our analysis on all of the stock charts and the indexes and commodities and everything that we look at. You're going to just love this, and it's for free. It's our open house, no credit card necessary, and just go to askSlim.com to the top of the front page, click Learn More, and you'll be able to see more and sign up. Thank you very much.